A very pleasant morning to all the viewers of English Cafe. This is Amit Kumar, one of the curious speaker of English Cafe, and today again we are here in the premises of a Catholic Church of Hazaribagh, so as to interact with some of the strangers. As we know that New Year is about to unfold, and on this special occasion, there are several people who commit to themselves what they want to achieve in their life.
Uh, Merry Christmas to all. This is Sarika Kindo from Hazaribagh. This is really a big day. This is a Christmas day, as this day our baby Jesus was born. And in this day, we used to celebrate this day by spreading lots of love, joy among each
They commit
others.
to themselves, what we call as resolution. Do you have any such commitment to yourself for 2025 so that you can improve yourself in 2025?
Yes, sure. I have many resolutions as this year, at the end of the 2024, we used to do lots of mistakes in our life. So, my resolution for 2025 is not to commit the same mistake which I have to regret again and again.
Yes, wonderful, ma'am. Actually, what happened, ma'am? If we want to improve ourselves in future, we have to work on our mistakes, and that is an incredible thing that you have highlighted here. But along with the mistakes, there are something that I would like to highlight here. That is procrastination. People face procrastination while improving their bad works. Do you have any such issues, such thing that you also procrastinate in your life?
No, I don't have such issues. Actually, I just believe in Jesus Christ. I used to pray to Him, and He gives me lots of strength. So, with His strength, I can achieve the things, and with His help, I can commit. It gets me help so that I can commit the same mistakes.
Okay, ma'am. Apart from that, would you like to share some more commitment to yourself that you want to see in 2025?
Uh, yeah, lots of commitments, but before that is Jesus Christ is more special to me. So I'll pray to Him so that He gives me strength, loves, so that I can't make mistakes anymore.
If you are okay, then would you like to share with us that do you have any future plan for 2025 in order to get some good thing in 2025, such as any job, or just you want to do any further thing?
No, I don't have such future plan of myself. Actually, I believe in Him, and I believe that baby Jesus Christ and God has a better plan for me, and He'll pave my way and give me more wonderful things, beautiful things, more blessings than what I deserve.
Okay, ma'am. Incredible. Ma'am, I would like to ask you here something else. To be a good person, what do you think that what should a good person should have?
A good person should have actually a good person should, according to me, a good person should maintain the discipline in his every daily life routine. If he follows the discipline in every life routine, maybe it may works.
Okay, thank you, ma'am, for having with us, and we hope whatever you have desired in 2025, you must get it in a very incredible way. And once again, Merry Christmas to you. And